Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss topic 23, that is soils of India. Topic 23, that is soils of India, that is our country. So when you look into the map of India, the rough sketch of India. So when you look into the map of India, this region and these upper regions, these contain mountainous soil. Mountainous soil. Now moving on to this vast region. This vast region is of alluvial soil. The Indo-Gangetic belt, the Gangetic belt. This is alluvial soil. Now moving on to this region, down to the alluvial soil. This region, this comprises of red and yellow soil. Red and yellow soil. We all know this region, the region of Maharashtra. It is black soil. This comprises of black soil. Now we've got laterite soil. Laterite soil can be found, and also red and yellow soil is found in this region also. Red and yellow soil, black soil. Now laterite soil is found in the areas of higher rainfall. This region, the Western Ghats, the northeastern region, and the Meghalaya region, Meghalaya Plateau, consists of laterite soil. Now move into arid soil. Arid, that is the desert, Rajasthan desert, which contains of arid soil. Also some parts of here, Gujarat, comprises it in it. So these are the major soils of India. Now we will discuss these in detail. First of all, we have alluvial soil. Mostly available in highest amount, that is 43% of India is covered of alluvial soil, and by area wise you can see it is covered to 143 the 43% of area is covered by alluvial soil. I am confusing the area. Yeah, you can see it in your book. Now moving into, it is situated in the area of northern plains and river valleys. It is also situated in, you can also see alluvial soil in peninsular region. The region of near deltas and estuaries. Humus, lime, organic matter all are present. high fertility. You all know that alluvial soil is highly fertile, mostly found in the Ganga Brahmaputra plains, also found in Narmada Tapi plains. It is a depositional soil that is transported and deposited by rivers. Depositional soil, as it is formed by river deposition. New alluvium, that is called Khadar, and old alluvium is called Bangar. That is, suppose the river is flowing, the first deposited areas are Khadar. So during deposition, first of all, suppose the river is flowing, so the first alluvium deposit is Khadar, and after, suppose this is happening, this Khadar is moving back and back, so it becomes old and become Bhangar, and the new deposits are then Khadar. I hope you all understand it. The color of soil is light gray to ash gray. Light gray to ash gray. Texture is sandy to silty loam or clay. It is rich in potash. It is poor in phosphorus. And major crops grown in alluvial soil are wheat, rice, maize, sugarcane, pulses, wild seeds, etc. Now moving on to the another soil, that is the red soil. Seen mainly in low rainfall areas. Porous and variable structure. It is also known as omnibus soil, soil. Absence of lime and conquer. What is conquer? Is impure calcium carbonate. It is calcium carbonate. It is also deficit in lime, conquer, humus, potash, nitrogen, Mn, manganese, that is etc. Its color is red due to presence of ferric oxide. Texture is sandy to clay loamy. Major crops which are grown in this soil are wheat, cotton, pulses, tobacco, wild seeds, potato, etc. So this was all about red soils. And I must say you that the UPSC hasn't asked any question from the soils of India. I don't think any type of question has been asked in detail, but as it is in syllabus, so we will look into it. Now moving into black soil. It is also known as regur or regar. which means cotton, that is good for cotton cultivation. It is mostly sown in Deccan region. It is mature soil, well established one. High water retaining capacity. Self-plowing. There is a characteristics of black soil, that is self-plowing. That is, it cracks while drying. After drying, it cracks, and it swells well when it absorbs water. It swells very big, swells well, and when it dries up, it cracks. So swelling and drying phases makes it self-plowing. It is rich in iron. This is rich in iron, lime, calcium, potassium, aluminum, magnesium, but it is deficit in nitrogen, phosphorus, and organic matter. Its color, as your name suggests, black color. Texture is clay. I've said the best crop suits here is cotton. Now moving on to laterite soil. It comes from the word later, which means brick, because it becomes very hard as the upper soft layers are eroded due to high rainfall. It is mostly found in areas of high rainfall. So it becomes soft when wet and very hard when dried. Very hard when dried due to high erosion. Region of high temperature and high rainfall, formed as a result of high leaching due to heavy rainfall. So what happens? Lime and silica are leached away from the soil, and also organic matter will be removed because of high leaching. And as the heat is there, high temperature, bacteria acts very fastly, removing the organic matter. So we can say it is rich in iron and aluminum, but deficit in nitrogen, potassium, lime, and humus. Color is red due to presence of iron oxide. Crops like ragi, cashew nut, etc. are cultivated. In some areas, rice is also cultivated in some areas of laterite soil. And now moving on to desert or arid soil. Arid soil, it is also known as desert soil. It is mainly seen in arid and semi-arid condition. Arid and semi-arid condition. High salt content due to high evaporation. Lack of moisture and humus. Lack of moisture because it is seen in areas of low rainfall. The concur content, which is calcium carbonate, concur content is very high, which restricts the infiltration of water. Restricts infiltration of water. And nitrogen is low, and potash is normal. Potash is normal. Texture is sandy, and color is red to brown. Red to brown, sorry. Now moving on to peaty or marshy soil. It is in areas of high rainfall and high humidity. Very growth of vegetation is very less. Less vegetation is seen in this area. Peaty soils. Very large quantities of dead organic matter or humus, which makes soil alkaline. Heavy soil, it is a very heavy soil with black color. Forest soil. It is found in areas of high rainfall where we see mainly forest. The soil is mainly acidic. Now there is one more mountain soil. Mountain regions in the country near Himalayan regions. It is immature soil. Immature soil with low humus content, also acidic. Low humus content means it is acidic. So this is all about the main soils of India. Hope you all understand it. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, press the like button. Do share and subscribe. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.